My people, the Acholi people. I'm here at home in the village. Just installed my satellite internet, and yeah, it's my first time going live with the internet. I'm here to talk about General Tamawan that we all know about him. Tamawan has been a very prominent figure in Acholi, army commander. But something that I've learned from Tamawan, starting from the time when those of Windolo brought the issue of Pongduon, I realized that General Taiwan is more than a soldier. This video is not to show support to Tamawan, and it's also not to be against Taiwan or to be against anybody. It is just my personal analysis, which may be true or may not be true. This live stream will not take long. It will be just for a very short period, because what I want to talk about is also very brief. If you have analyzed how General Taiwan talks in public, how the guy gives his speech, his choices of words, of recent, my first time seeing General Taiwan was when this guy died. Man one in Jale Makaloni, General Paul Lukach from Gang, but they can. When he died is when it was my first time to see him on UBC shouting, take a darful, he gave him a date. And I was shocked and I said, what kind of man is this? But now I'm surprised during this politic time when he's campaigning, the general is very calm, putting his points, building the team, which are impressing people in different types of way, diplomatically, in a comedy way, in a musical way, and all dimensions. You realize that General Taiwan is proving to be smart. Now, this style of speech that General is displaying during this type of politics, I don't know if he has just changed because he wants votes, but I think there's something special about how General is speaking. It takes high level of diplomacy for you to speak like that. And I think one thing that people need to know or realize is even if he wants vote, even if he has changed the style of speech because of what, Tamawan is proving to be very diplomatic, more of a military man. More than a military man, I beg to submit. Otema is proving to be more diplomatic than nature that people know about soldiers. So there's something special. I would like all the people and all the Chuli people to watch this the Badege battle. How Tamawan is putting his speech. Ta, ta, ta. You know, when they interview him and when he's speaking to the people, the guy is calm, putting his point straight. Let's watch the game. Thank you.